Great day, everyone! It is another day to gain some knowledge. This is Teacher Mary Carr, and welcome to Camplish.com. Today, we will have the preview of another interesting English information or article from this book, English Reading Basic 5. Let's learn and explore English. Are you ready now? Okay, let's start. Today, we will discuss Unit 26. Let's learn about this passage entitled Fraction. Look at the picture. You can see here a pie. It is divided into 6. So, if you will pull out this one part, the fraction for this is 1/6 because this is the one part of the 6 slices. So I will read it for you, but first I will read it slowly so you can get the correct pronunciation of the words here. And after that, you can join me in reading it again. So you have to listen very carefully. Alright, I will start now. What is a fraction? In mathematics, a fraction means any part of a number. If you learned division, it must be easier for you to understand a fraction. When you divide 4 by 2, you will get 2. It is because 2 is half of 4. The symbol for a fraction is over. A fraction explains how to count a part of something. Why do we need fractions? Fractions help us get an answer if the result is not a whole number. Then, how do we read a fraction? When you see 3/7, you read it 3/7. And now, let's read it again, but faster than the first one. Let's begin. What is a fraction? In mathematics, a fraction means any part of a number. If you learn division, it must be easier for you to understand a fraction. When you divide 4 by 2, you will get 2. It is because 2 is half of 4. The symbol for a fraction is over. A fraction explains how to count a part of something. Why do we need fractions? Fractions help us get an answer if the result is not a whole number. Then, how do we read a fraction? When you see 3/7, you read it 3/7. Alright, I hope that you got the correct pronunciation of the words. If you have some time, try to read it again to enhance your ability in reading. Okay, did you understand the passage? Good. So let's have some activities here and let's answer it together. Let's start on select true or false. In this part, we will find out if the sentence is true or false. It is true if it is correct and it's related to the passage, and it's false if not. Let's start now in number 1. A fraction means any part of a number. Is it true or false? The answer is true. So let's see why this is the answer. Here is the sentence that will support our answer in number 1. A fraction means any part of a number. Next, number 2. If you learn division, it must be harder for you to understand a fraction. Is it true or false? The answer here is false. Because if you learn division, it must be easier for you to understand a fraction. So it's not harder, but it's easier. Alright, then number 3. 3 over 4 is 4/3. Is it true or false? The answer is false. Like here, when you see 3 over 7, you read it 3/7. But here, when you see 3 over 4, you will read it 3/4. Alright? Now, we've finished the first activity. Before we proceed to the second one, let's learn more vocabulary words first. That will be useful in making your own sentences. So let's look at our word box. You can see here 8 different words. So I will read it for you, then repeat after me. Okay? So I will start now. Fraction, mathematics, mean, division, half, symbol, explain, and the last word, result. So now we can answer vocabulary checkup. You can see here blank spaces, right? So we will find out the missing word by looking at our word box. Are you ready now? So let's start. Number 1. She is excellent in blank. The missing word here is mathematics. She is excellent in mathematics. How about number 2? We solve many problems with blank. The missing word is fraction. We solve many problems with fractions. Then number 3. What is the blank of this company? The missing word is symbol. What is the symbol of this company? And last one, this could cause a really bad blank. The missing word is result. This could cause a really bad result. Okay, so I hope that you got all the correct answers here. So, this is the end of our lesson for today. I hope that you learned something from it. So if you want to learn more and want to develop your English skills, you are welcome to visit camplish.com. Again, this is Teacher Mary Carr, and see you in our next video. Bye!